BARTH Präzisionstechnik. Now I'm here an hour south of Stuttgart in Germany, and this story is about diversification. Now this business has changed its strategy from machining parts for industries like this to parts like this.
Welcome to Binswangen, good to have you here. My name is Wolfram Barth. I am CEO of our family-run company BARTH Präzisionstechnik since 2023. I'm very honored to be with the company in this generation. My grandfather built this company, founded it, and then there was my father who made it big. And I'm with a lot of our family members here together. We were founded back in 1970 and entered the automotive industry in 1980. And now we are about to change the business a lot. We are working here with above 100 people and we are still supplying the automotive industry, but focus very on the renewables and digital construction projects. So back in 2017, we decided to switch the business. This was accelerated in 2018 with the diesel scandal. Yeah, that kind of hit us. But we had our vision established. We followed our targets, and then we've entered the market into the renewables, digital construction technologies faster than expected, and windy time for us, but it showed us that we are on the right track in what we are doing. Well, energy costs was a topic for us. Yeah. What else can we do than pass it to our customers? Yeah. It was a tough time for sure, but we followed our transition away from automotive, and it even more showed us that we are on the right track with our transition, and now it's not a problem for us anymore. So we were about to go for the THC 16 in 2017. We had to postpone it to 2019. That's when the first IBARMIA arrived here. It was a THC 16 first generation, and we shopped it because it is a very flexible machine, and we felt like IBARMIA is facing us on an eye level somehow. So the communication, the way of working, it was like, okay, they are taking our issues serious. Yeah, they really want us to succeed in what we do. So it was a fast delivery. The part was running fast, and then we started our serial production, which was then overwhelming us at some point. So we decided to order the next machine, an even bigger one, the THC 22. We went for this machine because it is bigger, and we knew we need the space, the machining capacity. We knew it is very precise with all the axes and stuff, so it's a good machine. And then we added a pallet changer, because our learnings from the THC 16 was that we waste a lot of time in changing the part, cleaning all the stuff before start the next part. And with the pallet changer that we have now, we are now in the position to start automatization projects in our large size project. So we are going to work on that for the next couple of years. We had to do with 5-axis machines before, and we know the opportunities. But going above 800 millimeters, we were working with turning and milling machines separated. So we had a lot of production steps to finish our parts here. And the IBARMIA then enabled us to finish the parts in maybe 2 steps, which was an accelerator. Yeah, it gave us more production time for the part. And we decided for this kind of multi-process machine because we can do all kind of jobs. Yeah, it gives us the possibility to machine more or less everything on this machine. Yeah, turning, milling, and it doesn't matter if it's a simple ring with some turning action or if it's a very big housing where you mill most of the metal, you make some drill holes, and you need the fitting precision so you can do turning jobs all together in one machine. And this was the reason why we went for the multi-process line from IBARMIA. As a family-run business, IBARMIA is communicating to us on an eye level, and the machines itself, we were deeply into the detail before we shopped the machine. So we knew there is quite a good chance to reach our targets. And like we've shopped some IBARMIAs during the last couple of years, and we feel like we are somebody there. Like both of the companies are family-run business, and it is a fair level of communication, and they are always trying to get the best fit for us. Yeah, and I'm sure I know from different machine shopping projects, it's not always the same. Like there are machine suppliers, we are nobody there. Like if you shop 5 machines there, they don't even know your address. Yeah, and that is making the difference in the way of working together with IBARMIA. Besides, we are really happy with the machines, and they are doing exactly what we are asking them to do. So regarding the pallet changer on the THC22, it gave us the chance to really extend the production capacity. Like we nearly doubled the quantity on this machine, and that's what we wanna have. And now we are about to make some automation activities on this machine as well, to have it more productive. So when the THC22 was delivered, we had on a machine without a pallet changer roughly 15 parts. And after the first week of operating our THC22, we already have been above 25. Yeah, so that was really nice. First of all, we are satisfied with the IBARMIA machines, yeah, and they give us the chance to earn money. Yeah, that's why we are working. Working together with IBARMIA is satisfying. It is even making fun. So if we are under pressure, they are solving issues for us quickly, fast, and it even is a lot of fun talking with the guys, or having dinner with Koldo in San Sebastian is something really special for us, and we like to visit them. We like working together with them, and all of our employees are really happy with the service and the way of working together.
And having spent time with Wolfram today here, it's clear to see this business doesn't stand still, and it's earned the right to win more work from its customers. In fact, so much work that this place is running 24/7, and there's not enough hours in the week. So what do? When that happens? You buy another machine.
It is fact that we are about to increase that number of THCs again. So in a short time, we will receive another machine to be installed on site that allows us to even expand our production capacity, which is necessary for us.